Hey everyone, I get to deliver another tax plan. I'm so excited. You guys know I just absolutely love what I do, and today is no different. So in today's video, what I get to deliver today, $14 million. I'm delivering a strategic tax plan projected to save this couple over $14 million by the time they retire. So if you're a high income business owner making more than $1 million, you also need to be watching these kinds of strategies, right? This is how we turn personal expenses into legitimate legal tax saving gold mines. This is the fun stuff. Okay. Now we've talked multiple times about getting the kids on the payroll, right? So in this case, we have one child, getting them on the payroll, $15,750 standard deduction. But not taking it as a standard deduction. We're taking it as a business expense because the son was working, bona fide working for the business. So super excited about that one. Of course, we've implemented the Augusta rule, right? This couple is now using their Phoenix home, renting up to 14 days a year, 100% tax-free. So we got some good savings there. Guys, what we're talking about is the low-hanging fruit here, right? I can't give away all the secret sauce. Otherwise, why would you call? So, well, maybe you'd call because you want guidance. You know what? This brings up a very good point. I'm sorry to go on a little bit of a tangent here because I love delivering me some 14 million, but I recently have had quite a few people say, oh yeah, I heard about that on TikTok. I guess right now you're watching Facebook, you're watching TikTok, more power to you. Okay. But make sure that you are working with a professional to actually tell you how to use the strategies properly. For example, if you do the Augusta rule one wrong, you could be paying some pretty hefty penalties. So please be careful about that. But let's get back to the story here, okay? So we've used paying the kid. We are working on the Augusta rule, getting our events going on. The Super IRA, which is probably, I'm not going to call it my favorite, but it's pretty good. This is a combination between a medical expense reimbursement program and an HSA. So instead of spending your HSA on Band-Aids, we're using the medical expense reimbursement program to have the business pay for all the medical expenses completely tax-free. This allows, of course, the HSA to continue to grow completely untouched as a fantastic tax-free investment that they can then use in the future for retirement, whatever it is they want to do. And they can take the current expenses, the medical expenses, through the business right now. Now, one of the questions that comes up, Shauna, there's so many strategists out there. You know, we are not the cheapest in the bunch. We're not even close to the cheapest in the bunch. If that's what you're looking for, move on to another tax strategy channel here. Why us? Why would somebody work with Tax Goddess? So we didn't just give this couple a PDF. We gave them an actual roadmap that reduced their effective rate from over 32% down to under 10. And in this case, their full plan led to an ROI of over 570 times ROI on their investment. So if you're looking at finding a tax strategist, if you have not had a tax strategist audit your current business, making sure that you're taking all the write-offs that you can, you are donating money to the IRS. And I love our IRS as much as I can say I love our IRS, but please don't donate money to them. They have enough money. You keep your money, you invest it in your business, you make sure that that cash is doing what you want it to do with the goals that you want it to do. So if you have not looked at getting a tax strategy, reach out, okay? We set up a client channel for our clients. And one of the most important things that you can do, of course, is go to taxgoddess.com, make an appointment. You know, your family's tax rate is a strategic choice. It's not a mandate. So let's make sure that you're paying the legal bare minimum that you need to get the right write-offs for you, for your situation across the board. Let's create something custom and make sure that you are also at our 6.92% tax rate, okay? So this family specifically, I'm so excited to deliver this plan. We've saved this family and created tax-free wealth, $14 million. What can we do for yours, all right? Visit taxgoddess.com, come check us out, and let's see what we can get for you. So have a wonderful day, you guys. I'm gonna go deliver me a tax plan. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye, have a great day.